Today we are preparing yellow lentils and these are my ingredients for that. This is ginger, 1 inch ginger, you can see, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 bunch of coriander chopped, 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped, and this is my lentils yellow, and I have taken 3/4 of this katori. It would be about 75 or 80 grams. I'm using Amul Shuddh ghee, which is clarified oil, to make the tadka, but you can use olive oil as well, that's fine. This is my Himalayan pink salt, this is cumin powder, cumin seeds, and this is red chili powder, and that would be the turmeric at the end. So I'll be putting 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt I'll be adding 1 teaspoon in the beginning, and then I'll adjust according to my taste. So let's begin. 1 tablespoon, it would be like more than 1 because the ghee seems more as it is not diluted. Now you can see, and it is enough for 1 katori dal. As the oil is getting heated, we will grate these two, and we will put the flame on the slow. As the oil is heated, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I have slowed the flame already, and now I'm adding ginger and garlic. So now we will cook this for about 2 minutes on slow flame. So until it is brown, we will cook. As you can see, it turns brown because the oil was hot. So I'm adding chopped onion in it. With that, I'm adding green chilies. Now we will cook the onions until it is brown on slow flame, definitely. So if you don't have the fresh ginger and garlic, you can also use the paste. You can use at least 1 tablespoon of both ginger and garlic together. So we are waiting until it turns brown, the onions. When the onions are done, the oils start separating from the onions. As you can see over here, that's our oil which has separated. So we will add the tomatoes now. So after adding the tomatoes, now I'm going to add the spices. So 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, and salt according to my taste. You can use even like 1 teaspoon if you want. Now we will mix it together. Tomatoes doesn't take much time to cook, so as you can see, the oil has been already separated from the gravy. So our gravy for the yellow lentil dal is ready. So now what we're gonna do, we will mix our dal in it. So this is our quantity for the dal. So I'm going to add the dal. Home chefs, after mixing the dal, I added 4 katoris of the water, and it should be 4 times, make sure of it. The same katori which I used for the dal. So now I'm going to put a lid on it and I'll wait for the 3 whistles, and after 3 whistles your yellow dal is ready. I put the lid and now I'm waiting for 3 whistles on high flame, and after 3 whistles dal is cooked, but do not depressurize it. Wait until it will the pressure go itself and then open the cooker. Home chefs, after the whistle you can see our dal is ready, and you can serve this dal with rice. And as it is done, so here it is the time to check the salt and the chili, whether you like it or not. So if you don't like the salt which you have already added, you can add more over here, and then we will sprinkle the chopped coriander fresh over it before serving. Our yellow lentil dal is ready to serve, and you can serve this with white rice or chapatis, your choice. Okay, home chefs, thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please click the subscribe button and share the video with your friends. Thank you.